So this is how you can work with and remove the green screen in Sony Vegas Pro 17 or 18. So first off, let's get our green screen in here. I just have a simple clock animation. Let me actually mute these. I have a simple clock animation. It's a little bit laggy. That is okay. But to be able to get rid of this green screen, how do we do that? So if you go into your FX menu right here, you're going to see chroma key right about here, and you're just going to add that in. Once you have this added in, nothing's going to happen, even if it's selected up here. So you're going to go to the color. You're going to click directly on the blue, which is the stock, and then you're going to click this eyedropper tool, and then you're going to click on the green, and that will remove it. And you can undo it by unselecting chroma key and reselecting it. You can do that as well. And you're going to see that the clock is a little bit see-through on the edge. So how to fix that? You can mess with these tabs right here. If you go too far, it'll mess it up too much. But if you go right about there, perfect. Now it's full clock, green screen in there. Awesome. And that is how you can work with green screens in Sony Vegas Pro 17 or 18.